Hi, welcome to Salve Salento. I'm Jennifer, and today I wanted to share with you all of the finishing touches that they've been making on the property. So from now on, probably the next video that we make is going to be a final video because the kitchen is already almost completely in, and there's been so many things that they've been doing around here. So I'm going to give you a tour and show you what they've done. So I'm up on the deck and they still haven't put the top on yet. That is going to be absolutely last, but this is the beautiful view from our rooftop. So that's the old church and this beautiful yard of the, I don't know if it's a convent or monastery but it's still in service, it's still working, and it's very quiet and beautiful down there. So what a beautiful day today too. Hardly a cloud in the sky. It's just gorgeous. So they did the railing. So I know that I did show in the last video a photo of the railing that they finished up here on the roof. And we are going to be putting on this wall, we're going to be putting 1, 2, 3 lights. The same lights that we have downstairs in the corners of all of the rooms, those white box lights, those LEDs that go up and down. We're going to be putting 3 on the wall to light that wall because this will be our dining area here, and at night it'll be nice, and they'll be dimmable, so they won't be really, really bright, so we can have them low if we want to look at the stars or anything like that. And they're going to put a light up here, and in this area is the barbecue and the sink. And let me see if I can give you a quick shot down there. So all of the units for the heating and the hot water are finished. So let me get down there and show you. Oh, and they put a new door here. They put a new door to the house, so that's going to be nice and secured. And they're actually taking up this old material, the ceiling material that was on top. We have a tiny little water issue in the living room, but they're taking care of it. And they're finished with all of this down here. So they have the hot water and the unit for the air cons, all the hot water for the piping for the underfloor heating is under here. And they're going to be sealing this up again with something new. He said something better. So I'm going to take you downstairs and show you what they've done down there. So I showed you in the last video, I think, the lights. So they're putting them every third step. This leads down into the kitchen. And you'll see we have a kitchen. They still have some parts that they need to add, some shelves and things like that. But we did glass cabinets, so you can see it's smoked glass. That's in here, so it's just darkened just a little bit. And the metal is the same color as the metal here and on here to open the drawers. So they just roughed it in now because he needs to have all of this in first before they measure for the countertop. That has to go up. So obviously it's going to go on top of the cabinets on the base. And then for the backsplash, we're going to have the same countertop for the whole kitchen. It's really exciting. And now the mini kitchen. So this will just be a regular cabinet with a shelf. This is where we want to put our grill, the indoor grill. And this is a base cabinet for the sink. So we have a lot of storage here. And then they're building this area in the corner, which is going to just be made up of 2 shelves for storage that match the type of the cabinet, the finish. And then there'll be a countertop on here. And then this hood is going to vent out through the roof. So we'll see how that works. Next, we're gonna get our washer and dryer in here once he's finished with this kitchen, because I don't want to get in the way. I'd like them to finish that and not to have to worry about the washer and drying being in here. So we're going to put them right here and stacked because we have enough room, which is great. Oh, and they put a new light in here, which is cool. We got our built-in microwave, very cool. And this I absolutely love. We never had this in the United States, but it's dish racks. So you can put your dishes up here and then dishes on the bottom. And then you can remove that if you want, you don't want this tray to be in there, and you can take that out and leave it open, or you can have it so it collects water if you use it for washing. But I may do half and half, storage and washing, but I love this. I would have loved to have this in Florida, but it wasn't something that we did there. So I've showed you the lights in here, and in the bathroom, they're getting ready to put the vanity cabinets on in here. And I'm gonna take you into the master. Oh, and they put the thermostats, and I don't know exactly yet, but I believe that this is going to be a camera for the front door. And here is the other thermostat. This is for the aircon unit, and I believe that's for the underfloor heating. And I think they like to keep it, because it's in the middle of the wall a little bit, but I think they like to keep it away from doors and windows and things like that so it doesn't affect the temperature. And we are almost ready for furniture in here. So if you haven't seen in the other video, we have bathtub, floor spout for the tub that has a sprayer on it. And the glass, if you can see it, is up for the showers, for the dual shower. So we have a shower coming out of here and a shower coming out of here, which is gonna be great. And then in that little niche, I'm going to get some type of a shower seat maybe that we can keep toiletries on for the shower, because there really isn't any other place for it. And this is all finished in here with the plumbers finished with the toilet and bidet. And these are the mirrors. One's for here, a really long mirror we're putting on the wall. And then in the other bathroom is going to be, I believe it's a circle. So this one's gonna have a nice long mirror across there. So down here in the staircase, I mean, it's super bright in here too. So they've been finishing up the final plastering, filling in the holes, and getting it nice and smooth, covering all of the places on the stairs where the stair lights are going to be, so that when they put them in, the wall we've plastered, finished plastering, and then they'll pop those in and then it'll be done. And the steps are all done to the, you can see if I get some magnification there. You can see that they've been filling it in with plaster, so it's not gonna stay like that. It'll all be nice and finished and white. And this opening will have a door on it. It should be this week, because this is the last door that we need for the property. And then we're completely sealed in here. But it's okay, because the kitchen is not directly near there, so it won't get moisture or anything on it. And this is the range. And what I will do, I'll show you how they brought it up, because this was almost impossible to bring into the house. This is 90 centimeters, which is about 3 feet long, this range. So it's tremendous, and it's heavy, and it was on a huge wooden pallet. And how they got it up here, I don't know, but we're missing something, the refrigerator. So the fridge has to come up next. So how they get that up here, I don't know. We're gonna need a lot of help, so let's see how that happens. And I will be documenting all of that just to show you how they get that done.
Vai, via, via. Fallo voi, calma, dai. Oh, almost there.
So now we're outside the main entrance. So we didn't have a door last time, so now they finished the door. You can see it's really big, and the glass is frosted, and it matches all of the other doors, which is nice. So it'll keep some light out, but still keep private. And they did, if I could get a nice shot of that. They did the facade here, and it's all beautiful. You can see that the plaster is really, really nice. It's ready, probably ready for priming and then painting. And then I'll give you a shot of the little patio that's off of the apartment. So down here is the apartment door, and he's done all of the plaster up around here and finished it off. So it really, really is starting to look nice. And we're gonna have lights. We're gonna have light. We're gonna be doing probably some plants and things to decorate out here. And we're gonna have electronic lock for the door too, and another light up here on the wall. And I'm gonna give you a shot of inside the apartment because there's a lot of stuff in there. So I'll show you what they have inside. I'm glad I was able to open this door because for some reason this door doesn't like me. I can't ever get in, but it's been really working for me so far. So let me show you. So now here in the kitchen area, they're ready, but they obviously can't because they have all of this stuff in here. So as soon as they clean all of this stuff out, this is everything that they're using for outside. So once they're finished with all of this, they'll get this out and then they can clean up, do the final cleaning, and then get the kitchen installed down here. So if you see behind me, we have an oven, cabinets. This is a refrigerator here, more cabinets, dishwasher, the stove, and there is, more cabinets. And I don't know where the washer and dryer is. I don't think it's here yet. So we're gonna have a combo unit down here, the oven, dishwasher, and the range top, and the refrigerator with the cabinets. And they have the countertop. So if you look, you can see they already have the countertop cut and ready and waiting. This is a straight wall, so they didn't have to come and measure after to get the cabinet, the countertop measured for here because it's a straight run and it's not going to be different. It's going to be flat. So, and see all of the things that they have in here. And these are all, like I said, for the facade for outside. This is all of the scaffolding that they have so they can get up really, really high and do all of the plastering and the painting. And I think I showed you the last time they finished this window. So this is really great. So now this room is completely finished, and I'm going to show you outside what they've done on the facade. Oh, there's the mystery keys we found. I can get it. There we go. So these doors don't like me. Let's see what they've done out here. So they've been working hard too. You can see up above me. They're fixing, let me get the shade a little bit. It's so sunny and beautiful today and warm. It's unbelievable how warm it is already. So they're going to leave that ledge that's there, because if you can see it, I wonder if I can get up close to it. When I flip the camera around, I'll show you. That's really, really ancient. So they're gonna keep that, but they're gonna paint and seal all around it. So it's really nice. So let me flip it around. So I'll zoom in and show you that beautiful ancient ledge. And now when they finish, it'll be all white. Everything will be painted white and be finished, but you'll see that, which is really nice. They'll clean it up a little bit, and so that can appreciate that, because this is very old. This is as old as the house. And you can see the neighbor has some, but something happened to hers, and then she put a ledge on it. Now ours did have something on top, but they took it off because we really wanted to see the stone that's underneath it. So you can see out here, outside the little apartment, they're going to be finishing all this up. So all this will be sealed. So no water, no moisture, nothing can get in. And they're gonna clean all of this up, and they're gonna do something with this wall with the plaster and everything. I think they've been taking stuff off, so they're gonna clean it all up. Wow, oh, it's nice and breezy down here. So yeah, that's it for out here. And I don't believe that they started in the courtyard yet, but they will because they're going to be doing the other side of the house from in there. So thank you for joining me today in this video. We are almost at the end and it's really exciting. I didn't think the kitchen was going to be in this soon, but he worked some magic and he was able to show up a little bit sooner than we expected. So we're really happy about that. And they've been working really, really hard to finish soon because they know we really need to get in. We're desperate to get in and we just can't wait to get in and start the next chapter of our lives. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more progress, please click on the like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Hopefully that'll be our last house video. Take care. Ciao.